The case of Google's Bard and OpenAI's ChatGPT. Let's find out the hype. Welcome to TechGZ, your daily source for the latest news and updates from the world of technology. From AI to smartphones, we've got you covered with all the latest developments. Let's jump into today's top story. Google has recently denied that its new language model, Bard, was trained with data from OpenAI's chat model. However, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that has been widely used in the AI community for natural language processing tasks. Bard, on the other hand, is Google's latest language model that was introduced in a research paper earlier this year. According to the paper, Bard was trained on a dataset of over 800 million web pages, which is significantly larger than the dataset used to train ChatGPT. OpenAI's licensing terms prohibit the use of its models for commercial purposes. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And let me know your thoughts on these allegations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on AI and technology. And I'll see you all in the next one.